Welcome to Canada Luggage Depot, and today we're going to be giving you a little bit of roundup of who we are, what we're about, and a little bit of background on our business. Canada Luggage Depot was founded in the beautiful city of Montreal in 1972 and has always been family operated, which is something that we are really proud of as a team. Canada Luggage Depot actually started off as a manufacturer and retailer of custom made bags. So people would come in and tell us where they would want their pockets, where they'd want the zipper, and we would create the bag. And with time, it's developed into what it is today. Over time, the store grew and started carrying really well-known brands such as Samsonite, Delsley, JanSport, and so many other brands that you can now find available on our website. In 2013, the business officially changed its name into Canada Luggage Depot and closed its storefront and started focusing on the online business selling throughout Canada. Since, we've become the largest independent luggage and bag retailer across Canada. Canada Luggage Depot carries everything from suitcases to duffel bags to school bags to wallets to travel cases, you name it. We've got it. With over 50 years experience, Canada Luggage Depot has you covered. We know what you want and we're making sure to give it to you guys and provide it to you. Our price structure ensures that you always get the best price from us, so you don't need to worry about that. We've also got you covered on the price front. Wherever we get savings from our suppliers, we pass the discount on to you, so you know you can safely purchase knowing you are getting the best price out on the market. We're Canadian owned, we ship fast, and our customer service is impeccable. Make sure to check us out today to see how we can help your travel and everyday needs.